Hey friends, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much to each and every new subscriber that has joined us. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my world. So today I'm going to show you how to make fried chicken that is better, that tastes better than your favorite food store. This recipe was inspired by my friend Flo. She made for us this chicken and I fell in love. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't, leave a comment, share with your friend, and let's get started. You can use lemon as an alternative for vinegar. Hey friends, it's about 3 hours later and this is how our chicken looks like. Wait for the chicken to cool down, then repeat the same process for the second coating.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry.